Hey, good morning, Hood News Peeps. We're here with Steve Hollingsworth Law Firm. We're here live and direct. Happy holidays, friends. We got a major announcement, and then we got more to come, so you want to stay tuned. How are you doing, Steve?
I'm great, Grizzy, and we're about to make somebody else's day a lot greater, and then somebody else's potentially, so we'll see. But no, everything's going great, and we're happy to be here. Looking forward to the holidays, looking for a little time off if everybody can get it.
Yes.
It'll be a fun time.
So real quick, we're going to announce it at the very end. We're about to announce the $1,000 winner. How many entries did we get? Do you know?
I don't even know.
I'm sure it was a whole bunch.
Yeah, it was a few thousand. I think we got a few thousand entries, and Grizzy and I both appreciate it and appreciate everybody coming in and trying to jump in and get this money, and we hope to give it away to somebody who really deserves it. And I'll be frank, and we'll get into it more. But just a lot of people, when they apply, they put a story about why they need the money, and we're not going to disclose personal details, but a lot of y'all really needed this, and so it makes us very happy to be able to help people out, because a lot of people really need it right now.
Yes, and Steve is going to make another announcement in a little bit, because he felt such a huge, tremendous thing when he read a lot of these stories. A lot of people are going we've already been talking about this, how we are in some tough financial times, and we got a lot of Americans out there going through some things. So we're going to make another announcement in just a little bit, so hang in there. So let's talk about you guys. You guys have been sponsors of the Hood News. We're going on a year, right?
It's been a year.
It's already been a year.
Yeah.
Yes, and I want to thank you. You guys are so outstanding with the community, the Hood News community too. Always out there, representing where you can, helping people. Like this giveaway is amazing. Tell everybody about your law firm for those that don't know, because he's already famous anyway.
Something like that.
Patrón de la ley. Hey, he talks Spanish, y'all. Okay,
yeah, poquito. The whole staff speaks Spanish, though. So if anybody needs to speak Spanish, then we got people that can do that. Who we are, just real quick, we've been working with Grizzy for about a year. And we are a personal injury law firm here in town. Basically handle cases, anything from a car wreck to a slip and fall to if you get hurt in the plants or the refineries out there, or any on the job or anything like that. And we cover the whole state. I've personally done trials in over a dozen counties in Texas, so we can get out and about besides Harris County and Houston if necessary, if people are out there, because I know I see a lot of people on the Hood News, hey, I'm in wherever, but I'm watching you on the Hood News here. And so we can help anywhere, but that's who we are and what we do. We're a personal injury law firm, Hollingsworth Law Firm. And but also, if people have other legal issues per se, and they want to call us to get a recommendation, we have a lot of friends in the community, and we can get you hooked up with somebody to help you out if we can't help you. So that's obviously an objective we like to do.
A young lady reached out, and she wasn't aware. Like, she called you guys. She shared this story with me. She said, Grizzy, it was something else, like some other, it was like a medical issue or something like that, and she called you guys, and she was so impressed, even though you guys don't specialize in that kind of law, that you guys were able to help her, answer her right away, because she's been calling so many places, and you guys pointed her more or less in the right direction. So
and look, we can't help everybody. Not everybody has a case, but we appreciate everybody calling in and asking questions. We're happy to answer them. Consultation's free, even if we take your case. If we don't take your case, consultation's free. You don't pay if you don't win, that old saying. And so, we're happy to talk to people and help them where we can.
Yes, for sure. What's another thing, why should somebody hire a personal injury attorney?
Basically, why you should hire a personal injury attorney if you're injured in a car accident or slip and fall or whatever we talked about earlier today. Why you should call one is, odds are we're going to get more value for your case than you are on your own, because you don't do this. This isn't what you do. You don't get hurt in accidents all the time, thank God. And so what we do is, this is what we do every day. This is all we do is personal injury, so we know what we're doing. We're good at it. And so we're happy to help people. One of the things is, insurance companies, they like to play dirty sometimes, and they'll offer you some money on the front end or something and say, hey, if you settle for $2,000 right now, it can all go away and we can get you paid next week. Well, that's enticing to a lot of people. I understand that, but it's your 99% chance you're not getting full value for your claim, especially if the insurance company's jumping in, swooping in, as they say, to do things right that quick. They're obviously got something up their sleeve, let's say.
you guys also represent cases like at the plants, Pasadena, LaPorte, those mishaps that we hear about so much on the news.
Yeah, plant accidents, refinery accidents, trucking accidents, things like that. If you're injured in any of those things, the Hollingsworth Law Firm can help. Our number is 713-637-4560, 713-637-4560, or hollingsworthlawfirm.com.
All right, sounds good. And let me see. So, what's some recent big wins for your clients? Can we talk about some of that?
Yeah, we've had a couple of good ones. A lot of them rideshare accidents, honestly. We had one lady, I know we've talked about it, but if people didn't hear about it, we got $1 million settlement for a lady who was hit by a guy driving an Uber. Our client was crossing the street, and he hit her and hurt her really bad. And we were able to secure the full $1 million policy on behalf of her. Another rideshare accident that we were able to help with recently was our lady was a passenger in an Uber, and the Uber caused an accident with another vehicle while our lady was a passenger, and she was injured as a result of that very bad, had huge scar on her head and face, traumatic brain injury issues, cognitive issues, things like that, and we were able to resolve her case for $800,000. And so that was a good result for her. And then we always have cases. We have trucking cases. We settled one on Monday for $185,000. Every day we're trying to get big results. Not every case is big. Every case is different. We take the little ones too. Little $20,000, $30,000. Not little, right? But little smaller than 180, 500, $600,000. And so we can help with any of those. We're versed in how to handle the big ones. We're versed in how to handle the small ones. And we can help people how we can.
Yes. And can we talk about perception? People think that personal injury attorney, that they have to pay you to represent them right away. That doesn't work like that.
If you're paying any personal injury attorney to represent you, odds are that's not who you want to hire. Personal injury attorneys get paid on results. I mean, that's it. You get paid on results. And we get paid on a contingency fee percentage. And if somebody's asking you to pay on the front end, well, they're probably not a good personal injury attorney, frankly. So you want to work with somebody who's invested in your case, that the results of your case tie to the results for them. And so that's what we do. We take a percentage fee, industry standard of people, and we produce. We don't get paid unless you get paid. And so that's the thing, is you hire a personal injury attorney, you get paid more, and then you shouldn't have to pay anything out of your pocket. Medical bills are typically paid by the insurance company, not through your pocket. Car repairs by the other person that hits you, or your own insurance if that's an issue. And then the money goes to you. The rest of the money goes to you and to pay attorney's fees. And so that's kind of the way it works.
All right. So I'm reading some of the feedback. You guys speak Spanish?
Yes. Habla Español.
Yes. Somebody said, my mom got hit with the concrete truck. And somebody says, he sounds very competent. Too bad he's not a family lawyer. That's what I say too. Like, well, we need some good family lawyers.
Oh, there's good family lawyers out there. Give us a call. We can point you to some.
All right.
But I appreciate the compliment. We try to.
Oh, man. Somebody is talking bad about another law firm. Oh, no. I'm so sorry to hear that.
One thing that we've learned doing this is who you hire matters. And there's good law firms, there's bad law firms. There's good lawyers, there's bad lawyers. If you ever have a bad experience with us, please give me a call and let me know, because I'll get it fixed pretty quick. But customer service is job one. If you don't have a good customer, you don't have a good client, then you don't have a case and you don't have anything, frankly. So we want to treat our clients as best we can, help them as much as we can, and so to make things happen for them so that they have a good result, which leads to us having a good result. Everybody wins.
All right. Then we've got Romeo, Get the Bag, Cookie Dough. What a name. Oh, my goodness. Okay. He says, I was in a car accident and suffered a brain injury. What can you do for me? Like what can you do?
Romeo, I mean, that's a whole lot. That's a very vague question. Yes. I hope you are doing okay. But I can tell you this right now. To get a good answer, give us a call, 713-637-4560, or go to hollingsworthlawfirm.com, and you can do a fill out a form. We'll contact you there, or if you call us, we have somebody answer the phone immediately, and we can evaluate your case, talk about your case, and if we can help you, we're dang sure willing to help you.
All right. Yeah, we got a lot of Hood News peeps. They're hyped up, friend.
Yeah.
Hey, we got that giveaway in the
everybody wants some money. Everybody wants some money.
And he's got another announcement, friends. It's about to be another a bless. We're going to talk about that in a little bit. So yeah, somebody says. Let me see. I'm reading some of the comments. Can you? I guess there's a lady that she felt like the case that the attorney took on for her in the personal injury was not like, she wants to know if there's any way she can get another attorney to continue representing.
Yeah, I don't, it's some muddy water I don't want to jump into. But you can, if you're not happy with your attorney, you can always, and that includes my law firm, whoever, if you're not happy with your law firm or your attorney that you're working with, you can, like anybody, fire them. They are, they work for you. It's a professional service they're providing for you. Now, they may be able to retain an interest depending on the contract you signed. But you can always fire somebody. You can always get new counsel. You just have to get it in writing. And if it comes out that you think we can help you better than somebody, hey, then we'll help. But I can't guarantee we always can help better than somebody else. It just depends. It's situational. It's all case by case basis.
Nora then followed up. She says, I don't need money. I just need to use my arm like I used to before the accident. Yeah. And you come across these kind of cases, right? And
Nora, I empathize with you and understand, but in the personal injury world, that's all we can do. We can't lay hands on people and say, hey, you're better. So the only thing that we can do is get them compensated for their injuries so that they can have the money to either A, live a better life, or B, to get the medical care they need in the future, along with while the case is going on in the past, to get you done. So that's, the objective is to get you as much money as we can for what your case is, and we're happy to do that.
All right. Somebody says, does he take offshore cases?
Yes, we do offshore cases. If you have an offshore case, please give us a call.
What's an offshore case?
Offshore case is somebody working on the, so you're working maybe out at the Port of Houston, or you're working on an oil rig offshore or in a boat or whatever, and you get injured because of somebody else's negligence or mistake, then you can sue under Longshore or Longshoremen's Act or Offshore Act, and we handle those cases.
Okay.
So give us a call, 713-637-4560, and we're happy to help or evaluate your case and see if we can help.
All right, friend. How long have you been practicing?
How long have I been practicing? I've been practicing, 21 years now. 21 years. Yeah, I was a district attorney here in Houston, so I've tried a lot of cases. I've worked on the insurance defense side, so I know what the other side looks like that you're up against. So that's an advantage that we have, is that A, we're not afraid to go to trial if you need to go to trial, if your case does, and then B, we know how the other side works because we've done it. And so we use those things to get the maximum value for the case for your case that we can.
All right.
One of the things, Grizzy, I want to talk about real quick is I think we touched on it earlier, but one of the reasons we did this, and honestly, we've gotten far more traction or far more interest, let's say that, than we ever anticipated through this. And so we're very happy to do it. There's a lot of people out there that need it, and we've gotten stories, like I said earlier, alluded to earlier. I don't want to get into the personal stories because it's not, it's not everybody's business, right?
Right.
But everybody, I do appreciate the stories you sit in. We did evaluate them to determine who we wanted to help the most. Everybody has a different story. Everybody's got hard times. We understand that. But it really was eye-opening. Is how many people are, grandparents trying to get kids presents. One lady's husband's a disabled vet. She's trying to provide for her 2 kids.
Wow.
Just instances like that we really tugs at the heartstrings per se.
Yes.
And so we're very happy to help those people out if we can, and we'll go from there.
All right. So that's amazing. That is why he wanted to do this. But like stepping into this, none of us realized that there were going to be so many participants, so many entries. So how did we do this? So what we did is we worked with Grizzy and her team to whittle it down, to get the numbers down, because there were thousands of entries, and we appreciate every one of them. Yeah.
But we got it down to 10. Okay, and so what we have right now, and I'm not going to show y'all yet because there's names on it, but we have a little wheel here on this iPad.
Yes.
And we're going to spin it here in a second, and whoever it lands on, we hope you're watching right now. because what we're going to do is we're going to call your name out, and then we have your phone number here, and we're going to give you a call if you're watching, if you win. So I hope you are. And I'll just tell you, it's going to be from my personal cell phone, so if it comes from a 512 number, you need to pick up your phone.
Please pick up.
Now,
yes.
Now, you don't have to answer to win. If we call your name, you win regardless. But it'll be fun if you do win, and you're able to answer the phone and let's talk to you.
All right, friend. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Are y'all ready? Give me some thumbs up. I need a lot of thumbs up on this. Are y'all ready, friends? Tag people. If you know somebody signed up, start tagging them now. I'm going to give y'all a little bit. Let's give y'all like a minute or two. Hey, y'all, if you're watching this right now, we're about to do the drawing for the $1,000 of cash, like cash money. Where's the money at, friend?
Cash money.
Cash money, baby. And then, friends, we got another announcement because he's gonna hook it up. But we're gonna wait for that because there's more opportunities always. You know, with this man, he's always a blessing. So, all right, are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? I need some. Let's hype it up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. And
before we pick, I'm just going to do a shameless plug. Hollingsworth Law Firm, hollingsworthlawfirm.com, 713-637-4560. Give us a call if you're injured, and let's pick this.
All right, let's go. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and point the camera over at Steve. He's going to take it from here.
Oh, are we?
All right,
okay.
This is let me show y'all real quick. These are the 10 from the thousands, you know, and they did drawings like, you know, everybody sent in stories, friends. It was just amazing, man. It's just so crazy. All right, you ready? Let's go.
Nope. How do we do it?
I think a tap.
Just tap.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
All right. Oh, my God, friends. Prayers, blessings.
So a special come on down for Stephanie Tello.
All right.
Stephanie Tello, come on down in a good way. In a good way.
Yes.
So Stephanie, I don't know if you're watching, but we're about to call your phone number and see if you're watching. So let's see here.
Right.
And if you see a 512 number, answer the phone, Stephanie.
All right. These are all the different people. We had all these different people that signed up. These are the 10 that we drew.
Got it down to.
That got it down to. Everybody just had these amazing stories of why they wanted to do this.
Okay.
Just crazy. All right.
Or why they need it.
Mm-hmm. All right, now he's calling them. Congrats, y'all. Stephanie, I hope she answers.
I hope she does too.
Y'all better tag her, Stephanie.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Man.
We'll leave her a
voicemail
voicemail
trying
though.
to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have
We're gonna
finished
call her.
recording, you may hang up.
I want her to answer.
Hey Stephanie, this is Steve Hollingsworth and Grizzy with Grizzy's Hood News, and we just wanted to call and let you know that you just won $1,000 cash, and we will get in touch with you soon. If able, give me a call back at this number if you get it, or else we'll email you or call you at your house again and try to connect to get you the money. But Stephanie Tello, you are the winner of the $1,000 cash Christmas giveaway.
Congratulations, friend. Call us back. Let's shoot her a text message because that way she can. We want to hear her reaction, friends. And then so what we're gonna do after, we're gonna go drop it off, friends. So we're gonna go see her
if able, yes,
or if able to, or whatever we're gonna do. We're gonna meet up with her and stuff. We're gonna follow up on that, and stay tuned. Stay here, friends, because there's another opportunity. Hold on, we ain't gonna talk about all that. Okay, we're gonna talk about it in a little bit. Hold on. We're trying to get Stephanie on the line. Stephanie Tello, come on down, baby.
In a good way.
In a good way, yes. Woo! This is like real deal. These are real people, you know, getting these.
Yeah. No, we're very happy to help her and go from there.
All right, yeah. Stephanie. Let me try calling.
Go for it.
Because I think this phone number is going to say Grizzy. Let me see, Stephanie. All right, friends. We're gonna make another announcement. Hold on, friends. We're not done yet.
Yeah, right. Stick around. We're not done.
Okay. All right, here we go. Come on, lady.
Your call has been forwarded.
Unfortunately, Stephanie might be working or busy, tied up at the moment. But we're going to get in touch with her and we're going to get her that money.
All right. So
you want to do the second one now? Oh,
Stephanie, call me. This is Grizzy. We are trying to call you. You won $1,000, girlfriend. All right. She's got iPhone, so I'm going to see that message as soon as possible. All right, friend. So now, let me tell y'all, there's another announcement, all right? Because you go ahead and take the stage, friend. Tell us what's going on.
Yeah.
Tell us what happened. Tell us.
So what we want,
friend, this is our friend too.
Yeah. So what we want to do now, since we had such a good result or such good, participation in this giveaway for Christmas, that we're going to do another one. And it's been so good that we want to help somebody else out. So we're going to give away, call it our brand new Year, Happy New Year gift. And we're going to do $1,000. We haven't determined, we honestly just were talking about this morning, so we haven't determined when it will be, the drawing, but it will be announced via Grizzy's Facebook page and also mine. And so go to those, go to Hollingsworth Law Firm or Grizzy's Hood News, and it's going to be announced when we're giving it away. Yes. But I can tell you now, if you enter now, if you do what I'm about to tell you to do, then you will be entered. So we know thousands of people liked my page, liked Grizzy's page, as was the necessary thing to enter this contest, which we appreciate very much. However, you may be like, well, I already liked your page. How do I win this time? Okay, so how you win this time is twofold. One, if you haven't already liked Hollingsworth Law Firm Instagram or Facebook page and Grizzy's Facebook or Instagram page, if you have not already liked them, go like them. That enters you into the contest for the New Year's giveaway.
All right.
If you've already liked them, hopefully, and you're following Grizzy and I and my Facebook page now, then what you need to do is share the post. Just share the post and you will be entered. Okay, so if you've already liked our pages, then you need to share it from the Hollingsworth Law Firm page and Grizzy's or just mine, hollingsworthlawfirm.com or Hollingsworth Law Firm on Facebook, and then that will enter you. And then if you haven't liked our page, like it and you'll be entered. If you have liked our pages, then go and share it and that will be entered. So those are the two ways you're entered, and we're going to pick again. We hope we have thousands of entries again, and we're going to give away another $1,000 cash right after the New Year to help somebody get a good start to the New Year.
All right.
And so that's the goal. And honestly, it was such a, we read these stories, some lady, her family just got diagnosed with breast cancer, so they're fighting that. Yeah. And so we want to help these people as much as we can to, get ahead, or get even, frankly, with their money. And so we're happy to do this, and Grizzy has gotten a lot from the community. I've gotten a lot from the community.
Yes.
We try to give back where we can, and this is how we do it.
Yes.
We've helped the Women's Centers, Food Bank, things like that. And I know Grizzy's helped Crime Stoppers and is out there trying to protect the community every day and report on it. So we want to do these things to help give back in what little way that we can, so that somebody will be able to be as lucky as Stephanie Tello was today.
Yes.
And so to go in again for the $1,000 giveaway for New Year's, either if you haven't liked my Facebook page, Hollingsworth Law Firm Facebook page, go like it. There'll be a link, I'm assuming, in a post we do later on.
Yes.
And then go like Grizzy's Facebook page. And then also, if you've already liked those things, which we hope you have, then you want to go share them, and that will enter you in. So either a share or a like, and both works too. So that's what we hope to do. It'll be in the next couple weeks that we're doing the giveaway, and it'll be great.
Yes, follow this guy, man. He's amazing. Aside from an attorney, he's a humanitarian person. Like, he likes to care for the community. He takes an interest in Houston and the surrounding areas. Somebody said, would you take a case in Louisiana? The answer is yes.
Yes, we're working on a case right now where a lady was riding an electronic bike, and we think there was a malfunction of the bike, and the bike ran into traffic with her on it, and she was actually killed, unfortunately. But it's in Louisiana, and we're working on that case. So yes, we can work on big, small, whatever in between cases in Louisiana, New Mexico, Oklahoma, wherever. And if we can't, we'll partner up with people to help resolve your case the best way we can.
Somebody said, dile al güero que nos compre unos tacos. They said, ask you to buy tacos.
Oh, I'll buy some tacos. Come on by, we'll get you some tacos.
We'll get you some tacos.
We'll get you some tacos.
That's so funny. Oh my, I knew you'd laugh at that one. Oh, loud. I'm here like, all right, friends. So yes, stay tuned. We're going to drop the link and everything. But in the meantime, make sure you do those things. Let me see if Stephanie has answered us.
Don't think so.
No, I don't think so.
We'll get her. We'll get her.
Yeah.
And if we don't get her, then somebody else will be lucky.
Yeah,
So
there might be if we can't get a hold of her, I don't know, friends. Y'all better tell Stephanie Tillo she won. If we can't get a hold of her, we might have to do another one. I don't know. So stay tuned. I don't know. Like, she hasn't answered. I would have answered by now. I would have took a restroom break. Hey, I'll be back. I got.
She got her Christmas bonus.
Yes. So there's going to be another giveaway really soon. Okay, he's going to bless it up for New Year's. We're going to go into the New Year with positivity. Stay tuned, friends.
Happy New Year from HollingsworthLawFirm.com. We'll call it that. The Happy New Year from Grizzy and HollingsworthLawFirm.com.
All right.
And again, I know we're about to leave, and we appreciate everybody.
Yes.
We wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and be safe. And if somebody hurts you, give us a call, get a free case evaluation. You don't pay unless we win. We'll make your case worth it. We know you go through a lot when you get injured, and when it costs. When people get injured in accidents like this, it costs them time, it costs them pain, mental anguish, all those kinds of things. And so when we say make your case worth it, that's what we do. We say, we'll get you the money to make all this pain in the butt stuff that you're dealing with worth it. Frankly, that's the way we look at it. So we really appreciate Grizzy. We really appreciate working with her for the past year. It's been a great experience.
Awesome, always.
Been getting to know her a lot better, and we're both doing great. And so we look forward to helping the community more. And give us a call if you got injured. HollingsworthLawFirm.com, 713-637-4560, or HollingsworthLawFirm.com, and we'll help you how we can.
All right. Let me see. I just pasted some information. Hold on me, because I got people asking. Okay, there's his information. And his page is in the comments.
Oh wait,
too.
Is this her? Hang on.
Oh, she's answering. She's calling. Actually, that's her number. That's the number. Get it, friend. Get it. She's calling.
Is this Stephanie?
Yes, this is her.
Hey, you won, Stephanie. Congratulations.
Hey, she won. Yes. Hey, friend, we got you on live video.
Oh my God.
Congratulations. Woo!
Yeah.
We got her on the phone, y'all.
So
Thank you.
Oh, you're very welcome. You're very welcome. And I'm not going to advertise your story, Stephanie, but we read your story and we empathize with your family very much so. And we hope everything works out for them, and hope this helps what little it can. And so what we would like to do, and Grizzy's got you live right now if you're not watching. But what we would like to do, if at all possible, what area of town do you live in, Stephanie?
I'm here on Spring area.
Okay.
Off 45 and Ritchie Road.
Okay. Are you available either tomorrow or Friday at any time?
Yes, I can do Friday.
Okay. Let us give you a call on Friday to set up, and Grizzy and I would like to come personally give this to you.
Okay, that's not a problem.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you for supporting the Hood News.
Yeah, thank you for supporting the Hood News. Thank you for supporting.
Hollingsworth.
Thank you for supporting HollingsworthLawFirm.com, and we're very happy to help you with this. And like I said, I hope your family has as good a Christmas and New Year's as they can. And we're very happy that you have won this, and we're happy you called us more so too. But congratulations, Stephanie, and we will be in touch either tomorrow or early Friday.
Okay, not a problem.
Congrats, friend. Merry Christmas. God bless you.
Thank you. You too. Be careful, guys.
You too,
No problem. Thank you, Stephanie.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Friend, you're so amazing.
Nah.
Man, that's what's up. Oh, my God. Yes, I'm so excited. So stay tuned, friends. You too have a chance to win for the new year. We're going to do this was for the Christmas.
Yeah.
He didn't have a Santa hat on him.
No, we tried, but it didn't work out.
Yeah. But he's ready. He's ready to rock and roll for the new year to hook it up for somebody.
We'll pop some champagne when we pull the next winner.
Yes.
So for them.
All right. I'm so glad we were able to get the winner. And this is we had thousands of entries. We did like a drawing for the 10, and then we got Stephanie Tello. This is her right here. All right, so Stephanie Tello, thank you. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to the peeps. We want to thank once again Steve Hollingsworth, the Hollingsworth Law Firm, and his team. They speak several languages. If you need help, Spanish, English, whatever, they're here. They represent all of Texas. If you find yourself in any kind of personal injury situation or you got hurt, call them. Call them today.
And we get a free consultation, and we don't get paid. Let's say it right. We don't get paid unless you win. And we were happy to help you. 713-637-4560, HollingsworthLawFirm.com. Everybody have a happy holidays.
Merry Christmas.
Thanks, guys.
All right, friend. All right, let's go. Hood News Peeps. More Hood News on the way.